Welcome to the iInvoice.it sales invoice and shipping invoice tutorial. From the control panel, select My Business and then Sales Documents. From the quick links, select New Invoice to create a new standard sales invoice. All your company details are automatically included in the invoice header. The document number is automatically assigned by iInvoice.it and increments for each new invoice created. In the Bill To section, you enter your customer details. You can either select from a list of previously created customer data, or you can create a new customer, and when you save the document it will automatically be added to the customer data for future use. If you know the customer's VAT registration number and if it's applicable, you can enter it here. Next, we move on to the product details. The first thing is the product quantity. And as with the customers, iInvoice.it provides you with a list of previously created product details that you can select from, or you can create a new one, and again it will automatically be added to the product details list when you save. Enter the price, and if VAT's applicable, select the relevant VAT code. And at the bottom of the document you have a breakdown of your VAT details and the totals associated with the invoice. On completion, select when the document is complete and then save. You will receive a message in the document status section indicating if there's any errors, or in this case the document has been checked and is correct. Now simply close, and you'll see here the new invoice has automatically been created. To edit the invoice, you can simply double click on the invoice here or select change. And we can edit the quantity in this example. We'll increase that to 3. Select when the document is complete and save document. You can see here all the totals have changed, and again the document has been checked and is correct. Now if we close, we can see here that the value has increased. The next document is the new shipping invoice. If we select that from quick links, now this is exactly the same as a standard sales invoice, and the only difference is that it contains shipping details if you're using a specific courier. So as before, the document number is incremented, this time to 7. In the Bill To, we enter the customer name. We can select the new customer that we created before, and all the details are automatically populated, so no need to retype. Here we can enter the quantity, the product ID. Again, as before, the new item we created has automatically been saved and can be applied. It remembers the price details that were applied the last time. These can be amended and will automatically be saved again. In the shipping details, we have lots of options, but we'll start with shipping cause, standard sale, package type, boxes, number of packages, the weight, the terms, shipping type, the date, and the time, if applicable, the package is to ship. And the final piece is to enter the carrier. We will select UPS next day in this example. And again, as before, select when a document is complete and save document, and if everything's okay, we get the all clear message and simply close. Now we can see here now that clearly differentiated from a standard invoice is the new shipping invoice that we just created with all the relevant values.